Hello student, good morning. Myself Sabir Khan. Today we are going to learn class 11th chemistry. Our today's topic is lesson number 1, basic concept of chemistry. Today we are going to learn methods about determination of concentration of solution. First, mass percentage. Mass percentage is defined as the mass percentage of solution is the mass of any one components, means solute or solvent, in gram present in 100 gram of solution. Mass percentage is denoted by W upon W percent. Mathematically, suppose A and B two components of any binary solution, then mass percentage is mass of solvent or solute upon mass of solution into 100. Mass percent of solvent A equal WA upon WA plus WB into 100, and mass percent of solute B equal WB upon WA plus WB into 100. Our next method is volume percentage. Volume percentage is defined as volume percentage of solution is the volume of any one components of solution, solvent or solute in ml present in 100 ml of solution. It is denoted by V upon V percent. Mathematically, suppose A and B are the two components of a binary solution, then volume percent of solvent A equal VA upon VA plus VB into 100, and volume percentage of solute B equal VV upon VA plus VB into 100. So children, our next method is molarity. Molarity means moles dissolve in liter. It is defined as the number of moles of the solute dissolve in 1 liter of solution, which means number of moles of solute dissolve in 1 liter of solution only. It is denoted by capital M. Mathematically, molarity equal number of moles of solute upon volume of solution in liter. Then M equal NB upon V liter. This is equation number first. But NB equal WB upon MB, where NB equal number of moles of solute and WB equal weight of solute and MB equal molecular weight of solute. This is equation number 2. Then M equal WB upon MB into V liter, or M equal WB into 1000 upon MB into VML. V liter change into milliliter, so equation third WB multiplied by 1000. Unit of molarity. Molarity equal number of moles of solute upon volume of solution in liter. So M equal mole upon liter, or unit of M equal mole liter inverse. Our next method is molality. The number of moles of solute dissolve in 1 kilogram of solvent. Molality is denoted by small m. Mathematically, molality equal number of moles of solute upon mass of solvent in kilogram. Then M equal NB upon WA 1 kg. This is equation number first. But NV equal WB upon MB, means number of moles of solute equal weight of solute upon molecular weight of solute. This is equation number 2. M equal WB upon MB into 1 upon WB 1 kg. When 1 kg change into gram, then M equal WB into 1000 upon MB into WB in gram. Unit of molality. Molality equal number of moles of solute upon mass of solvent 1 kg. So M equal moles upon kg, or unit of molality equal mole per kg or mole kg inverse. Children's, our next method is normality. Normality is defined as the number of gram equivalent of the solute dissolved in per liter of the solution. It is denoted by capital N. Mathematically, normality equal gram equivalent of solute upon volume of solution in liter, or M equal mass of solute in gram upon equivalent mass of solute into volume of solution in liter. Then M equal WB upon gram equivalent mass of solute into V liter, or M equal WB into 1000 upon GEQ MB into V ml, where GEQ denoted gram equivalent mass. Our next method is mole fraction. Mole fraction is defined as it is the ratio of number of moles of one components, solvent or solute, to the total number of moles of all the components, solvent plus solute, present in the solution. Mole fraction is denoted by capital X. Mathematically, suppose A binary solution made up of two components, solvent A and solute B, then Na is the number of moles of solvent and Nb is the number of moles of solute. Na plus Nb is the number of moles of solution. Then mole fraction of solvent A equal XA equal Na upon Na plus Nb. Similarly, the mole fraction of solute B, XB equal Nb upon Na plus Nb. The sum of mole fraction of solute and solvent XA plus XB equal Na upon Na plus Nb plus Nb upon Na plus Nb. Then XA plus XB equal 1, since the sum of mole fraction of solvent and mole fraction of solute for a binary solution always 1. Thank you, student.